A year-round rental in the Village of Plymouth, located just off Samoset Street at Exit 6 in Plymouth. A brand new dishwasher, stove, and electrical panel was just installed in the eat-in kitchen. The living room has new carpet, an air conditioner unit in the wall, a coat closet, and outside access to the front entrance. Upstairs, you'll find a full bathroom with a tub and a pedestal sink. In the hall is a closet for your linens. The first bedroom has all new carpeting and a closet shelving system. The second bedroom has a wall unit air conditioning, a closet shelving system, and new carpeting. The entire unit has been freshly painted. Rent includes water, trash, snow removal, tennis court, swimming pool, extra storage, laundry, and parking.